How to edit the notification settings on the Grindr app. So first open the app if you haven't already, then tap on the three lines on the top left corner. Then a side panel will open up. Scroll down until you see an option called settings, which is located on the bottom. So simply tap on settings, then scroll down until you see an option called notification settings. Simply tap on it. From here, you can edit or change the notification features according to your preferences. So in order to change the current status, simply tap on the yellow button right next to it. For example, if I want to change the in-app sounds, I'll simply tap on the yellow button on the right, and this will turn off the in-app sounds. Simply tap on OK to confirm it. In order to enable it, simply tap on it again. So it is that easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.